Hi guys, welcome back to this Money Control live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague here, Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, it's a day of consolidation.
Correct.
You can call it that because it's been extremely volatile, but we are managing to hold above that 20,000 or 21,000 mark, and the Sensex just a shade below that 70,000 mark. But breadth is positive. Mid and small caps are doing fairly okayish. But among the sectoral losers today, you have the entire energy pack. HPCL, BPCL, IOC. They are on the losing end, just like yesterday. Realty is another pocket that is under some bit of selling pressure. What's doing well is the metal pack. Hindalco hit a fresh 52-week high today. So metals doing well. PSU banks also extending yesterday's up move. If you look at the Nifty Gainers individually, HDFC Life, UltraTech, extending gains from yesterday. Bajaj Auto, JSW Steel, and on the flip side, you have BPCL, which by the way I think trades ex-dividend today. So top Nifty loser there. Eicher Motors, Pharma, L&T and Maruti are on the losing end. Hindalco, Yatin, hitting a 52-week high given the fact that it is planning an 800 crore rupee capex for a battery foil plant in Odisha. So this, EV play is something that is boding well for the stock. Aside of that, Infosys, in the red after CFO has resigned, Nilanjan Roy. This marks the third or fourth, top level exit for Infosys this year itself. And, even though ADR was down 3%, we've seen a 0.5% kind of downtick coming in. And Morgan Stanley has retained an overweight rating on the stock. And it believes that, it will be a near-term sentiment dampener, but transition is likely to be smooth. At that level. Aside of that, TCS also, apparently the stock did hit a fresh 52-week high as the buyback acceptance ratio has been much better versus the previous buybacks, 35% kind of acceptance ratio, and buyback offer was subscribed 6.5 times. So that's a good thing coming in. But let's talk a lot about the stocks that are making moves in the mid cap end of the market. Mankind Pharma, there was a block deal, Yatin.
Yeah. Mankind Pharma, there was a block deal, and the block deal value was more than 5,000 crores. Most importantly, the block deal happened at a 4-5% discount to the market price, and obviously the stock, because of good institutional demand, has recovered from the day's low. So good going for Mankind Pharma. Post the large bulk trade, given the fact that the quantum of the shares were quite large, the stock has managed to stay above that block price. What's also doing well in the mid-cap space is Equitas Small Finance Bank. That stock is up 10%. BLS Finance, BLS International, beg your pardon. BLS, they have won a contract from the Canadian government for providing visa services for citizens in India. And I think post that contract win, the stock has gained 7%, just trading at all-time highs. Yes Bank, they have decided to sell their ARC. And post that Moneycontrol news, we have the stock which has gained 6.5%. TV18 Broadcast, that stock is recovering. That stock is up 7%. JBM Auto, Gujarat Fluoro, Inox Wind, Inox Green, all of these stocks doing well. What's not doing well is Paytm. That stock is down 5% and the downtrend continues here. Stock is trading below 625 rupees. Prestige Estates, some profit taking, stock is down 5%. BPCL and the oil marketing companies since yesterday are under pressure after the dream run up that we have seen. BPCL is down 2.5%. Dixon is up 1%, top traded counter on NSE. Z is up 2%, top traded counter on NSE. But look at the list of the 52-week high stocks. FL, GSPL, UltraTech Cement, IRCTC, BDL, Chambal Fertilizer, Shri Cement, SGV, and all of these stocks up anywhere between 2 to 3%, and they're hitting fresh 52-week highs.
Yeah, then what about IREDA?
IREDA, yeah, man. Actually, 32 rupees was the IPO price. Today the stock is above 100 rupees, right? And yesterday the stock was at upper circuit 80 rupees, and today it's 100. So fantabulous move coming in for IREDA, and we have discussed about the stock, but yes, no point discussing it again and again because the feeling is of left out. And strong run up. Now the stock in terms of valuation is trading above 3 times price to book ratio. I think it is fully valued, but yes, the frenzy continues, and clearly the demand supply situation has moved beyond fundamentals now.
Yeah, that's true. In fact, I was talking to Himang Johnny in the morning, and he also said that it has run up quite a bit. For trading purpose, perhaps it will be good, but for investment purpose, I think it has become, even Himang shared this view that it has become fairly expensive. But aside of that, I think 2 more IPOs opening tomorrow. It's Inox,
Limited, they make carcinogenic.
Inox India, I think.
India, they make carcinogenic tanks which can store a lot of chemicals and green hydrogen is
Yeah.
another space
That
which
is
they are
buzzing.
focusing on.
Yeah. And DOMS as well. So these two IPOs. And
Both are hot IPOs, I
Yeah.
think, and the rating for all of these IPOs is buy and subscribe.
Yeah.
So I think the listing for both of these stocks should be good.
Yeah, aside of that, macro data expected today, inflation once again expected to edge towards the 6% mark, but I think that's fairly discounted. It has been spoken about quite a bit. We've seen a spike in vegetable prices once again, and that could weigh in. And IIP data also expected today. But aside of that, I think we've discussed all of the stocks that are making headlines at the current juncture. But we'll be back with closing bell at 3:30 p.m. So don't forget to tune in for that. But for now, it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for watching.